Greetings to everyone. Welcome to my channel Nature's Pulse. Today I like to prepare Gulkand preparation, and it is used as a laxative and also digestive corrective, which is anyhow it is a popular preparation in Unani medicine. And normally Gulkand is prepared with rose petals all over the world. These rose petals are widely available in any country, but Gulkand with Gull Amalthas, which is Cassia fistula flower, is not normally used in all the times. It is a seasonal flower and normally bloom in early summer or late winter. Gulkand is a sweet preservative of flower petals, also called Gulle Murabba. Cassia fistula is one of the seasonal flower. Normally it is bloom in Sinhala Urdu season. The golden shower tree, also called as Kondrai or in Ehala, Sinhala and Tamil. The golden shower tree is growing to 10 to 20 centimeter tall. The flowers are produced in pendulous racemes 20 to 40 centimeter long. You can see in this video, which is clearly, it's a very beautiful plant, and plant is fully covered with flowers. And these pendules are long and also have 40 centimeter long flowers and 5 yellow petals of equal size and shape. It blooms in late spring, early summer. In hot, dry weather, flowering is profuse, with trees being covered with yellow flowers, many times with almost no leaf being seen. The tree blooms better with pronounced differences between summer and winter temperatures. Various species of bees and butterflies are known to be pollinators of Cassia fistula flower, especially carpenter bees. It is also called purging Cassia. That's why I told this Gulle Amalthas Murabba is, as you can use as a laxative and use as a home remedy, and also for a herbal tree, and make candles and bath soaps, usually used in joint pains. And also I like to give some introduction about how to prepare this Gulkand. This is the same method with rose also. First you have to add some sugar on the jar, on the bottom, and then add some flower petals, and then again add some sugar and flower petals, and repeat the process. And also you can add some honey also. If you not want to add sugar, you can prepare this with honey only. It is also good, and you have to mix it well and dip in honey and keep it under sunlight for 2 to 3 days. And then it is mixed. When it's mixed, it is like a paste. It's a brownish color paste. Or otherwise you can heat some in pan, put it in a pan and keep it heat it for some time. Likewise also you can prepare that murabba, and it is a preservative of flower. You can use other flowers also like this. Usually edible flowers are used to prepare this murabba, and you can add some other rose syrups or nuts, and these things also can add